Hey everybody, Sean Cruz here at Auburn Classic Cars to talk to you about this 1953 Chevrolet Corvette. This is number 68 of the 300 that were built, and this is one of the really good ones. Why is it really good? Well, first of all, as you can see, it has an outstanding restoration, and very importantly, it retains its original motor. Of the 300, not all of them are left, and of those, not all of them are restored. To get a restored 53 Corvette with its original engine is tough to do. It also has a Kennedy soft top, so that's a little bit more expensive, a little bit more done right, and that's just an indication of how well this car was done. So we invite you to look this car over very carefully. If you've wanted a 53 Corvette, this might be the one for you. We'll look forward to hearing from you.